250,000 Kaspa coins is the new elite. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm Chris and today we're about to see lots of interesting things around Kaspa because the price is dropping and lots of people right now is in fear because they are telling me, Chris, what's going on, why we are dropping, and there is lots of FUD also around the Kaspa price. And guys, I would like to tell you as a general, the world crypto market is bleeding right now. Bitcoin is in a bear flag under the 200 daily moving average, which is quite bearish, okay? But you need to realize that Kaspa, the difference with other cryptos is that isn't backed by any major exchange, which means that any probable news that can emerge, like a major exchange will list Kaspa, that can drive the price up and we can break this downtrend resistance and get into another level. So on this video we're about to speak for the prices, we're about to speak for what's happening in the hash rate with the addresses. One big exchange is accumulating in silence. They are accumulating lots of Kaspa coins. And also guys, I would like to speak for the Kaspa web wallet attack, the DDoS attack that happened, and some people asked me to cover this subject. I didn't cover it the previous days because guys, it wasn't something that was need explanation due to your funds are safe, so it was just a DDoS attack. But on this video we're about to see all of these things and we're gonna close the video with why 250,000 Kaspa coins is the new elite. So if you are interested to know all of these things, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. And before I continue, I would like to clarify you that I'm not a financial advisor. Whatever that you are going to see on this video is my own personal opinion, my personal approach. Always do your own research before any kind of financial investment. And also guys, if you're a Kaspa enthusiast, Kaspa holder or Kaspa investor, I recommend you to subscribe to my channel because daily I upload videos around Kaspa with the latest news, and also through these videos I try to educate you and also to inform you with the news around Kaspa. And that's why it's going to be very beneficial to have a subscribe to my channel. And do not forget also to check my Patreon group, because here you're about to find my private Telegram community where you're going to have access to speak with me 24/7. You can ask me absolutely everything in that group. I'm going to be there for you. And also we have got some multimillionaires in that group, some guys with very high experience, and all together we are working like a team. We are helping each other, and in the future by 2025 I'm planning to do lots of meetups with the Patreon members. So it's gonna be very interesting to be a part of this Patreon, especially if you are a Kaspa investor. And also guys, you're gonna find here my crypto portfolio and how I handle my crypto portfolio as a crypto investor since 2016. I have got a couple experience behind my back, lots of bull runs and bear markets. So it's gonna be also beneficial to see how I handle, after all of this experience, my crypto portfolio. And also obviously you're about to find my buy signals, take profit signals, and sell signals in real time. And in general, if you are looking to build connections, to have fun, to upgrade your knowledge, and obviously make gains, this Patreon group is for you, and I'm waiting to see you there. And without losing more time guys, let's get straight into the video and start with our typical update around the price, the market cap, the rank, and the hash rate, etc. So let's start. Kaspa right now is starting at 0.033 cents. It seems that since yesterday we saw another pullback, small pullback from 0.035 cents, 36 cents back to 0.033 cents, which is a crucial line, as you can clearly see here. And on this line, I'm going to tell you, if we're going to break this massive support, where we're going to get, okay, because some people may be wondering if we can drop that low finally. I still don't believe that, but let's see. We're gonna discuss everything. The market cap is 680 million, which, as I have told you, is screaming for accumulation. Okay, because guys, 100x from that price is gonna be 68 billion market cap, which is not that big deal. Okay, think it that way. Why is screaming for massive accumulation zone at those areas? And also the rank is 52, which, as I have told you, it's astonishing. We are competing with other layer ones, with other famous layer ones, which is backed by major exchanges, and Kaspa without any top tier exchange with being backed from Kaspa. Kaspa is standing very strong in the top 50 coins without having the same exposure as other cryptos, which means when the time is gonna come and we're gonna have the same exposure as other cryptos, as other famous layer 1 cryptos, Kaspa is gonna definitely be under top 30, even under top 25. So I'm not gonna be in a shock if I see that in a bear market without even getting to a bull run. I'm not gonna be in a shock. So let's move, guys, into the technical analysis. And as you can clearly see, and to remind you, we are forming here a very big uptrend movement. And do not forget, guys, when we touch this all-time high, I called you that there is a massive probability for a pullback that gonna get us to retest this massive support area anytime soon. And I told you that I don't know when we're gonna retest that. Maybe we could have some consolidation here and touch it there and then bounce. But it happened, the scenario that we almost get straight into a downtrend movement after this huge new all-time high. And right now we are in a very crucial thin line where, guys, we have this support of this uptrend movement, and also we have the resistance of this downtrend movement, which means that in any possible reversal here, the things can flip into extremely bullish. Okay, especially with any emerging news that can come with top tier exchange that will list Kaspa, or any other positive news. If we're gonna see any elite buy Kaspa, crazy amounts of Kaspa, that can also drive the price up, and some momentum can bring up the price. So yes, guys, be standby. But also here I would like to tell you that if we're gonna get lower, okay, I believe it's very hard to drop under 3 cents and also to break this support. But if we're gonna see something like that, guys, the next worst case scenario for me is this massive support, which is the 0.027 cents, which, as you can clearly see, it was heavily retested previously couple times, and right now it's gonna be as a strong support one more time. Okay, I cannot see Kaspa under that point. This is the worst case scenario according to this current situation that we have from technical side. So this is what I'm expecting here, and let's move on, guys, to this kind of panic that happened around the Kaspa web wallet. Guys, that's why I'm always telling you to store your Kaspa in a cold storage, because these type of attacks are happening all over the time. And to the people who were actually asking me all over the time, what's your opinion, Chris, about the Kaspa web wallet or all of these different wallets of the web? Guys, my answer was, okay, it's safe, but the safest method that you can store your funds, your crypto funds, your Kaspa, is the cold storage. And I prefer the Tajam wallet over the others for several reasons. It's not a sponsored, the Tajam. I have chosen the Tajam wallet because I have investigated my time to find the best cold storage out there, and I end up to choose Tangent wallet. Okay, so what happened here? It was a typical DDoS attack. I actually, guys, immediately announced that into my Twitter after the site Dizzy Wybroski, which is a core member of Kaspa team, where he was actually tweeted that. And also, guys, into my Patreon community, I immediately share this news that I have learned instantly. So that was a typical DDoS attack, which is actually, for those who don't know, this is a malicious activity that drive lots of traffic into, for example, the Kaspa web wallet. And that's, guys, not something crazy. We cannot actually hurt you or hack you or whatever. But until this attack set down, your funds are not accessible. Okay, but that doesn't mean that you're gonna lose your funds or whatever. Okay, your funds are safe and you're gonna have access back from time to time, so don't panic. But if you would like the safest method without worrying, if you actually use any fishy Wi-Fi or whatever, and maybe someone can hack you, Tajam wallet, cold storage. If you don't want the Tajam wallet, choose a cold storage of your preference and save your Kaspa there. It's important, okay? It's very important. And let's move on to the hash rate. Hash rate right now is going for a new all-time high, very close, 15.58 petahash per second, which is going for a new all-time high from time to time at 16 petahash per second. And I have told you that until the end days of September, we're about maybe to see above 25 petahash per second due to the arrivals of ASICs, and that's very healthy for the network of Kaspa and also for the stability. And also, guys, here I would like to show you that Get.io buying Kaspa in silence. They are actually accumulating Kaspa heavily in these areas of this kind of drop. And this is something that you need to do too, because guys, you're gonna lose the probability to buy at those low prices, and maybe you're gonna get FOMO and you're gonna buy Kaspa in more expensive prices like 0.045 cents, 0.050 cents, and prices like that, because you didn't bought here due to the reason that you were waiting furthermore decreasement in the price. The reversal is gonna happen instantly, and also I will repeat that for every video because some people actually mess some things due to the reason that I'm showing you the charts. Guys, we are here for the long term. We are not here for the short term. So personally, I don't care what's going to happen here. I just buy and never sell. I will sell only in 2025 just to take some profits and enter again in a bear market. This is why I will do that swing trade at that period. Okay, only in 2025 I will get profits from Kaspa. Until then, I just buy and hold. So let's get straight into the topic of the video. As you can clearly see, before I close the video, 250,000 Kaspa is the new elite. And what does this mean? It means, guys, that with only $8,000, your life can completely change. Look at this. Right now, we are in 680 million market cap. Okay, and we estimate that Kaspa can get approximately to 100 billion market cap, up to 200 billion, and even a 300 billion. And people gonna ask me, Chris, what? These numbers are crazy. We never saw this price from a new crypto. Guys, I have to tell you that Kaspa is superior than everything else, than every other layer ones in the space. It's better than Bitcoin, same fundamentals as Bitcoin, but with the protocols, the Ghost Duck protocol, and also with the protocols that are coming, like the Dark Knight protocol, and also the language that we're gonna change from Golang to Rustlang. We're about to see crazy scalability, and we're gonna accomplish the main vision of Satoshi Nakamoto, which is peer-to-peer transactions and in the most efficient way. So while we sustain the same and even more robust security than Bitcoin, due to the reason that we exploit the orphan blocks, and also we have the same decentralization as Bitcoin. Okay, fair lands, even more fair lands than Bitcoin, because Bitcoin back in the days, only a very few people, which were computer scientists and all of these similar categories, could understand Bitcoin back in the days. So right now that Kaspa lands, we have more adoption, and it was even more fair than back in the days. No pre-allocation coins, no pre-mine coins. It's the ultimate fairness. So I believe, guys, that investors, big financial institutions, will understand completely the power of Kaspa and where Kaspa is heading. And I believe that they are going to invest in Kaspa heavily because they're gonna understand where is heading the Kaspa the next coming years. We're gonna see by 2025 the implementations of Rustlang and also the Dark Knight protocol. So subsequently, we're about to see smart contracts, DApps, and all of these things that can flip Ethereum. So people gonna invest heavily just to prevent the Kaspa price to explode too much, and they would have to buy very expensive each Kaspa coin. So that's why they're gonna buy heavily by the first bull of Kaspa. And do not forget that the next bull run, guys, estimated to have approximately 10 trillions in the total market cap. The previous bull run, which we had approximately 3 trillion in a total market cap, we saw, guys, projects like Cardano, Dogecoin, Solana very close to 100 billion. These projects, guys, is at a non-comparable level with Kaspa. Kaspa is far better than those. Imagine what's going to happen with Kaspa. Just imagine. I believe 100 billion is the worst case scenario for Kaspa. 200 billion is a conservative price prediction, and I believe that we can get up to 300 billion, okay, or even more. Depends the adoption at that time. But I believe, to be safe, 200 billion is easy target for Kaspa if you have in your mind that in the market, in total market, we're gonna have 10 trillions. It's a lot of money, guys. It's a lot of money. 200 billion is gonna be nothing for a project like Kaspa. We can see even more than that. So with 250,000 Kaspa coins, which right now equals to $8,300, guys, your life can change completely. You're gonna become multimillionaire, and you're gonna have access to enjoy your life forever. Okay, you can actually retire with this amount. That's why I call it is the new elite. 250,000 Kaspa coins is the new elite. Okay, you don't even need to become a Kaspa millionaire to go above 1 million Kaspa coins to become a millionaire, because even with that amount, with a quarter Kaspa milli, you can become multimillionaire very easy. So this is exactly what I would like to tell you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know down below in the comment section what you expect as the next move of Kaspa. Do you believe in furthermore correction, or you believe into a reversal to the upside? I would like to know that down below in the comment section. Also, guys, don't forget to follow me on my Twitter, because I'm uploading daily multiple very positive Kaspa tweets. And we have here a very great atmosphere in the Twitter too, so I'll be happy to see you there. And also, do not forget to check where I store my Kaspa, the cold storage which I use, which is the Tajam wallet, and I prefer it over the others. And with a discount code CryptoChris, or either by clicking the link, you can get some discount. And with that way, you're gonna be able to store your Kaspa in the safest way as possible. Okay, so I will see you guys all in my next video. Until then, your boy Chris out. Bye.